Did you know that your home could be the key to unlocking thousands of dollars in credit? But wait, should you use it? Or is it a financial trap? Let's break it down. What is HELOC? HELOC stands for Home Equity Line of Credit. It's like a credit card, but instead of being based on your income, it's backed by the value of your home. That means if you own a home and have built equity, you can borrow money against it. Here's an example. Your home is worth $300,000. Your mortgage balance is $200,000. Your available equity is $100,000. A lender may offer you up to 80% of that equity. As a HELOC, which is around $80,000. HELOC works as a revolving credit line, meaning you can borrow money, repay it, and borrow again, just like a credit card. But unlike a credit card, it is secured by your home, which makes it riskier if you can't repay. How does HELOC work? Think of a HELOC as a financial tool that lets you tap into your home's equity when you need it. It has two main phases. Draw period, usually 5 to 10 years. During this phase, you can borrow money multiple times up to your credit limit. You only have to make interest payments during this time. Repayment period, 10 to 20 years. You must start paying back both principal and interest. The amount you pay each month may increase significantly. Variable interest rates. Unlike fixed-rate loans, HELOC rates can change, which means your payments may go up over time. Renewability. Some lenders allow you to renew your HELOC at the end of the draw period, extending access to funds. HELOC is flexible, but it also comes with financial responsibilities. If interest rates rise, your repayment can become expensive. Benefits of HELOC. Why do people choose HELOC? Here are some of the biggest benefits. Lower interest rates. Cheaper than credit cards and personal loans. Flexibility. Borrow as needed instead of taking a lump sum. Tax benefits. Interest may be tax deductible if used for home improvement projects. Debt consolidation. Use HELOC to pay off high-interest credit cards or other debts. Financial emergency backup. Access to funds in case of an unexpected expense. Example. Sarah used a HELOC to renovate her kitchen, increasing her home's value while keeping her loan interest low. Risks of HELOC. HELOC may sound great, but it comes with risks. Your home is collateral. If you can't repay, you could lose your home. Variable interest rates. Monthly payments can go up unexpectedly. Overspending temptation. Using it for vacations or unnecessary expenses can lead to financial trouble. Market fluctuations. If property values drop, you may owe more than your home is worth. Loan reduction risk. Lenders can reduce or freeze your credit limit if your home value drops significantly. Example. John used his HELOC for a vacation. Later, he lost his job and couldn't make payments, putting his home at risk. Best ways to use HELOC wisely. If you decide to use a HELOC, here are some smart strategies to ensure financial success. Only borrow what you need. Avoid unnecessary debt. Use for value-boosting investments. Home improvements, education, or consolidating high-interest debt. Monitor interest rate changes. Stay aware of fluctuating payments. Create a repayment plan. Ensure you can make payments even if financial situations change. Should you get a HELOC? HELOC is not for everyone. Ask yourself these questions. Do you need funds for home improvement or debt consolidation? Do you have a stable income to make payments? Are you comfortable with fluctuating interest rates? Do you struggle with managing credit? Are you planning to use HELOC for non-essential spending? Is your home value declining? The bottom line? HELOC can be a great tool if used wisely, but misuse can lead to financial disaster. Final thoughts and call to action. Now that you know how HELOC works, is it the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you in the next video. Movie Film.